Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and in this session I'm going to tell you something really important about the repeat sentence question type of PTE exam. This particular question type contributes to 52 marks in total, so it is indeed an important one. This is also an integrated task in which you get the scores not only in the listening module but also in the speaking part. So you have to listen to the sentence carefully and then you need to speak it up. Here three things matters the most, and that's what I'm going to explain you in this session. Now, as I have previously mentioned, it is an integrated task. So you should have good listening skills along with good speaking skills. But it is all about the three things. And the first thing is imitate the speaker. The way the speaker spoke the particular sentence, simply imitate the same. Okay. Focus on intonation, the tone which has been used in the particular word or maybe in the sentence, the rise and fall of the tones, that is intonation. Focusing on a particular word if that was done in the course of time. So you have to do the same only. I'll tell you why am I saying so, you'll get to know. Here we had this audio. You firstly listen to the audio, you'll get to know what exactly happened.
Students can make an appointment with the dean by calling this number. Students can make an appointment with the dean by calling this number.
So clearly what happened? Students can make an appointment with the dean by calling this number. This is what she said. But we need not to only focus on the content. We are going to focus on the intonation. We are going to focus on the way she pronounced every single word. We are going to take care of the rise and fall of sounds. That's what we need to take care of. So when I attempted it the very first time, what happened? I got 54 out of 90. Okay. So let's look here. Now I'm going to show you the analysis. Now listen to the audio, the way I spoke. Student can make an appointment with the dean by calling this number. It was like very rough or very basic, we can say. We need to imitate the speaker. That's what they want. So here I got 86 in content because I spoke every single word. Oral fluency 50 and pronunciation 40. And here, for your information, students, I'm not using any mic. I am not using any external headphones. I'm just using my laptop for the same. So this was the first attempt score. Looking at the second attempt, I got 67, content 90, oral fluency 70, and pronunciation 50. Here also I did some mistakes. That's the only reason I got 67. Let's hear the way I spoke. Students can make an appointment with the dean by calling this number. Did you notice one thing? The way I was speaking, I actually tried to imitate the speaker, although I did not do it fully. है ना? I did not do it properly. I got 67 out of 90 here. But in my latest attempt, in the final attempt, just listen to the audio and you get to know what exactly is the difference in the first three attempts. And let me know in the comment section whether you were able to figure out the difference or not. So let's listen to the audio. Students can make an appointment with the dean by calling this number. So here I tried to completely imitate the speaker. That's what I did with the dean by calling this number. The way she said, I imitated her. So if you think you are just going to focus on the words which she used, you are mistaken. If you think you are going to just speak it up like a normal manner or in a normal manner, you are also mistaken. Here we actually have to use some kind of accent. We need to imitate the speaker. We need to imitate the speaker. If the speaker is like using the British accent, we have to imitate her in such a manner. If she is using American accent, we are going to imitate her in such a manner. That's what we have to do. And because of that only, I was able to score 90 out of 90 in the third attempt. So why am I telling you this? Whenever you're practicing, make sure you practice every single question at least twice. Okay, so if you are able to score only 55 or 65 or even 70 in the first attempt, try it again and focus on your mistakes in order to get rid of those mistakes and Try improving your scores. This will help you a lot. It is not about the number of questions you are going to do. It is not about the quantity. It is about the quality. So attempt only 5 questions, but do those 5 questions thoroughly. Okay. Try to focus on the mistakes. Okay. Try to focus on what exactly went wrong. Try to get rid of those mistakes in the next attempt of yours. This will help you guys a lot in scoring very well in your PT speaking part, especially the repeat sentence part. The way I shot this video on the repeat sentence topic, I'm going to do the same for the read aloud part as well. I'm going to come up very soon for the same topic.